just like a goddess. You're straight out of heaven. Too good to be true. And I'm just a weirdo, like they say. Always overthinking night and day. I think it's pretty obvious.
First thing during I went for my IRG, we feel like it's like a how to say documentary about my life.
I've never run a marathon, but I go to distance for you, wherever you want. I might be that weirdo, like they say, always overthinking night and day. I know if you find this strange, but I do, I really do. But may I ask if you would feel the same way too? How could you be my light in the dark, so I can be your morning alarm? Wake up to you, right next to you, in my arms. When there's a storm, girl, I'll be your shelter. I'll be the one who's making you laugh. I'm gonna give all my heart to you. To you.
My body tender, 'cause the feeling leaves me weak. Cannot recover. I see the ceiling while you're looking down at me. How can we go back to being friends when we just shared a bed?
We are hearing widespread condemnation from a number of Western leaders. Let's start with the EU's Chief Foreign Policy Officer, Kaja Kallas. She has posted a notice on X, and I want to share a part of that post with you. With Israel, here's what he said.
I think the Iranians thought that
I've been away
Lebanon and Israel, we never made
for
that
so many days, I'm missing it all.
case. What we said was the ceasefire when we focused on Iran, the ceasefire
Where did our time go?
If there is to
I'm
be
scrolling through pictures saved on my phone. I wanna go home. And I don't know why, but I'm so sentimental. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared, and all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful, all the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. I gotta say, it's too many days when I feel alone. So I pray to God, and then He reminds me I'm not alone. He gave me you. Oh, it's just so easy to be sentimental. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared, and all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful, all the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. And when I find myself in pieces on the ground, you pick me up and turn me back around. And any day could be our last, so I'll be holding on to all the love we found. Lately I've been thinking of our memories, all the laughs we shared, all the tears we cried. Hope you know that I'm forever grateful, all the time you shared, staying by my side. Thank you for the love. Where would I be without you? Ooh. Thank you for the love.
If